What's up, everybody? How you guys doing today? I gotta show you guys something that I've been working on. It's pretty cool. So it's basically like you're turning the don't pass into the pass line. So you're treating it like a pass line. And I'll show you what I mean here in a minute. Let me rack these guys up real quick. Okay. Get 100 over here. What's up, Sweet Pea? We got Sweet Pea here, guys. We got Sweet Pea here. Never fear, Sweet Pea's here. Okay. All right, guys. So here we go. All right, here we go. So what we're going to do basically is, I call this system the don't pass line. That's what it's called, the don't pass line. All right, so basically what you're going to do, you're going to put $200 on your don't pass, okay? Now we're not going to protect the don't pass today. We're not going to protect it with no hops or anything, okay? We're going to go up. If we lose, that's it. That's what we're doing. Okay, here we go. Okay, we're going to start off with a $200 win. 200 bucks. We started with 5,000. We're going to reduce it to 100. So pay attention to the way that I play it. We reduce it to 100 after I won. Okay, point will be a 6. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead on the 6, and we're going to put $80. Okay? I'm sorry, $90. $90 on... Actually, yeah, $90 on the 6. Okay, so there's a 5. No, actually, I have that wrong. Give me 1 second, guys. I'm sorry. 90, 100. Okay, we're going to put 120 on the 6. Okay, so what we just did was we turned our don't pass into a pass line. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. The 6s and 8s, you can do 90, and then you could just make $10 on the don't pass. But we're going to try to make 20 bucks, or yeah, we're going to try to make a $20. Actually, you know what I like better? I like $90. 75, 80, $90. I like that better, because if we throw the 7, we'll get $10. We're blocking out the 6. Okay, there's a 10. If we throw the 6, we'll get 105. So we threw the 7. So we're going to lose the 90, and now we make $10. Okay? All right. Okay. Oh, you know what I had to do, guys? Hold on. 1, 2. I never took out $100 for the red. Okay? So there, I got to give that to the casino. We had $100 too much because we only supposed to have 5,000. Okay? All right. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go back to $200. Okay? Point is down. Okay, we're going to hit an 8. All right. So let me let you guys in on the way that this has been working out for my practice play. Okay? My practice play has been working out great. The more that I go up on the don't pass, the better. So I've been playing it lately with $500 and $1,000, and we'll build it up, and you'll see what I mean. Okay, it plays way better when you bet bigger. Okay, so what we're going to do now, we have an 8 point, so we're going to put $90. So we basically are making our don't pass a pass line, but we have the best of both worlds. Okay, so there's a 6. Works better with the 4, 5, 9, and 10. The only points you guys have seen so far is the 6s and 8s. That's it. Okay, so we throw the 8. So $90 is going to pay us 105. Oh, I'm so sorry. Okay, okay. Hold on 1 second, guys. This is a mistake. I'm going to correct this mistake first. Okay. I thought we had 100 on the don't pass, okay? So the correct bet is on here is $180. $180 is the is the correct bet. Okay? And then we threw the 8. So 180 pays, that's a $28 bonus. So we make, let's see, 28. We make $8 profit. I'm just going to take $5 profit, okay? So it washes out our don't pass, okay? I just screwed up because for some reason, I was thinking that we only had 100 on the don't, okay? So we got 200 again. Here we go. Okay, another 8. So you can't really see the benefit so far. Okay, so I'm going to put 180 here. Okay, 180. I'll put 190. Okay, 190. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's a 4. And there's a 7. Okay, so the don't pass wins $10. Okay, there's $10 coming down. So right now, it doesn't seem like it's impressive or anything, but you have to just keep watching, okay? And like I told you, where the money is having a much bigger don't pass. It can win a lot of money that way, okay? It can win a lot of money that way. All right, so we finally got a new point. So here's where I like it. Okay, you put $200 on the 5, you just turned your don't pass into a pass line. Because now if you hit the 5, you want to hit the point, you're going to get $80. If you don't, you break even, okay? You break even, you can't lose. Okay, there's an 8. There's 4. It's been actually doing really good for me, guys, in practice. There's a 6. Like, I'm very impressed with it. Like, I've been winning a lot. And there's a 5. Okay? So normally you would get picked off for 200, and now you win $80. Okay? So we're going to get $80 there. Profit. Okay, we're going to come down. This is all our money still. And we're going to do another 200. Okay, there's a 6. 6 and 8 points suck. They suck, but you can't lose. So you're going to put 190. Okay, there's a 7. You lose 190. You win 200, so you win $10. There's your $10. You keep all this money. Okay, that's good because we got rid of that stupid point. And there's an 8, so we have another stupid point. So you put the 185, 190 back. There's a 5, a 12, a 6, a 10, a 7, okay? You lose 190, you win 200, another $10. Okay, we'll do a new one. Here we go. Okay, there's a 9. A 9 is a good one. I like the 9s. Okay, with the 9, you're going to put 200 on the 9. If you throw the 9, you win $80. If you throw the 7, you break even. Can't lose. Okay, there's a 9 right there. Okay, we turned our don't pass into a pass line. Okay, so that's $90. You're going to win $80. 200 pays 280. Okay, you're going to come down on both of them. Well, on the 9. Okay, here you go. Okay, you're going to win $200 because you just won on the come out. Okay, you're going to reduce it to 100. Okay, you're going to win again. Okay, keep it at 100. Okay, you're going to hit the 9 again. You're going to put $100 on your 9. If you hit the 9, you get 140. So you'll make a $40 profit. You'll lose 100 here, but you'll win 140 here. Okay, and there's your 9, $140. So that's a $40 profit. There's your $40. Coming down. rack it up. Okay, stay at 100. And there's a 7. So you're going to lose this 100. You're going to go to 200. Okay, a hard 4. Okay, point is a 4. You're going to put $200 on your 4. Now, guys, this is so cool of a system because if you throw a 4, you get $200. If you don't and you throw the 7, you break even. Okay, there's a 6. An 8. An 8. A 10. An 11. A 7. Okay, so you break even, but that's okay. You didn't lose anything. You're going to lose this 200, you win 200. Okay, no big deal. Just do it again. Okay, there's an 11. 11s are bad news for us. We're going to lose that 200. Okay, we're going to go to 300. Another 11, back-to-back 11s. So we were doing so good. That's all it takes. It's all it takes in this game when you're playing a don't pass. But you're going to see what's going to happen. You're going to see what's going to happen. I told you, when we get to $500 to $1,000, that's when we do really, really well. Okay, that's a 9. So watch what happens as we go up. Okay, we're going to put 400 on the 9. Now it's a pass line, basically. It's like a pass line, and there's the 9 right there. Okay, you're going to lose 400, but you get 40 times 4. Okay, so that's $120. No, more than that. 40, 80, 120, $160. You make $160. Okay. There's our 160 coming down on our 9. We break even there. Okay, we're going to rack that up. So really the only thing that's hurt us right now so far was the only thing that hurt us so far right now was the 11s. We had 2 in a row. We lost $500. Okay, now notice that we're staying at 400. Okay. Okay, there's a 527. We're going to lose that. So right now, what's killing the system is the come out 7s, right? Okay, so that was 400. Okay, we're going to go to 500. Okay, we're going to win 500. Okay, we're going to go ahead and bring it back down to 400. Okay, there's a 4. Okay, we're going to put 400 on the 4. Okay, that's an 8. So if we hit the 4, we'll win 400. And we threw the 7 first, so we're going to break even. We don't win any money. Okay? Break even. Okay, here comes the come out. Okay, we're going to win 400. Okay, 400. And now we're going to bring it down to 200. Okay, there's a 7. We're going to lose 200. Going to go to 300. Okay, there's an 8. 8s are crap. Key. Well, we got 300 there. We're going to just put 300. 300 on the 8. If we hit the 8, we'll get $60. Okay, we hit the 8. We make $60. 360, lose 300. So that's what you should do. Just put the equal amount on the 6s and 8s, okay? I kind of was doing that a little wrong. Just put the equal amount on them, okay? Keep it at 300. Okay, there's a 9. 9s are good. Okay, we're going to put 300 on the 9. If we hit a 9, we're going to get $120 profit. Okay, there's a 5. And there's a 10. A 6. A 6. A 6. Was that 3 6s in a row? 3. 11, 3, and the 7's going to beat us. We win on 300, we lose 300. No problem. Coming down. Here we go. Okay, that's a 10. Okay. We're going to put 300 on the 10. If we throw a 10, we're going to make $300 profit. And we threw a 10 on the first roll. Okay? Okay, that's a $300 profit. And come down on the 10. Okay, we get to keep that because we already paid for it. We really won 600, but we lost over here, so we only get 300. Here we go. Bring that down to 200. Okay, there's another 11. Last time we threw back-to-back 11s. Let's hope that don't happen again. 300. 6. Horrible point. Okay, we're going to put 300 here. If we hit the 6, we get 60 bucks. We hit the 6, we get 60 bucks. Okay, that's a $60 profit. We make 360. We lose 300. Okay, so I really like it, guys. We're going to go 200 here on the don't. Okay, here we go. Okay, a hard 10. That's a good one. Okay, now if you want to, you could just put $100 on the 10. If you throw the 10, you break even. And if you throw the 7, you get $100. I like to put the 200 on the number. I like to put the full amount on it because I want the full amount of money. You never know when you're going to throw a 10. You can't lose, so you might as well go for it. Right? You can't lose. Okay, there's a 10. There's a 10. So instead of settling, so we would have broke even had we not done that. Instead, we get $200. I'd rather have the maximum win. Okay, come down on the 10. Okay, and now let's go ahead and look at how we did. Let's see what we got here. Okay, so okay, there's our 5,000 that we started with. Okay, so this is 100. Actually, it needs one more. There you go. 100. It's 50. Okay, that's 200 right there. 200. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wow, $1,125 on the don't pass line. We turned the don't pass into a pass line. Pretty creative. I like it. I like it, guys. So far, it's been winning. It has been winning. The only thing that really will hurt you now, the reason why that I don't protect the come out don't pass, the reason why I don't protect it is that I don't want to lose the hop bets, because it defeats the purpose of changing it into a pass line by betting the same amount on the point. Now, the only thing that we could technically do is we could lay the 10, but I don't like laying the 10 because when you get up to $400, what are you going to do? Put $800 on a no 10? So it's not realistic. It's not realistic. It's way too much money to lose if you throw the 10. So I'm going to leave it the way that it is. Overall, so far, it has been winning. So I haven't had any issues with it so far. So you guys give that one a try. Play that one out a little bit. Let me know how you do. Thanks, guys.